Want your toddler to love reading? Whether you're a parent or an educator, I'll show you exactly how to start teaching your toddler how to read in just 5 to 10 minutes a day. Now, this isn't about forcing reading early. It's about using simple and fun strategies that work with your child's natural curiosity and energy. I'm Rebecca, a teacher, literacy specialist, and mom of 2. When I first tried to teach reading at home, I felt overwhelmed and confused about where to begin. And this was despite all my experience as a teacher. So I went back to what the research says, and then I added in a whole lot of play. This method became the heart of the active reader, and now thousands of families are using it to help their toddlers build reading skills joyfully. Here's how to start reading with your toddler, even if you only have 5 minutes. Step 1. Stumble upon them playing. Look at their play and choose one letter sound to focus on. For example, if they're playing with cars, focus on the k sound. If they're playing with dinosaurs, choose the d sound. No big lesson is needed, just one sound is enough. Then step 2, draw their attention to the sound. So as they play, get them to repeat that sound after you. I would say, car, k, and have them say, k. Then while they play, encourage them to start using the sound. They could drive the car saying k, 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 k. You can also place the letter card nearby. This provides a visual of the letter that makes that sound. This means that they are learning without their play being interrupted. Step 3, repeat and play. Do this often as they play, repeating sounds already learned or choosing a new letter to focus on. They will then come to see that learning and fun can go hand in hand and learn to enjoy both. If your toddler's resistant, and this is possible, then start small. Simply just place a letter card close to them as they play. This is just exposing them to the letter. You can also simply get them to repeat a sound after you while they're playing. As they get used to these things, I'd stretch it further. I'd name the item they're playing with, and I'd isolate and say the sound. Car, k. You can have them repeat that back to you. Then expose them to everything all together. Expose them to the letter sound, a visual of the letter, and have them repeat after you. Car, k, car, k. If something doesn't work today, try again tomorrow with a small change. Don't give up. It's okay to feel unsure. And you'll get better with practice, and so will they. If you're ready to make reading time simple, joyful, and effective, you can get access to our early childhood reading program at the link below. In this program, you'll get a 30-week step-by-step plan, multi-sensory flashcards, 2 workbooks full of playful literacy activities, and easy video tutorials to walk you through it all. You can also put these examples into practice by downloading my free letter A worksheet. You can find the link below. You don't need to be a teacher to teach reading. You just need the right tools and some encouragement. Use the link in the description below to get started.